Sir, could you please show the yesterday's notes?
Yesterday here on the screen it is. So we are
Okay,
talking
sir.
about the realization phase, right? Other few phases you already know. Na? This is phases like
Yes.
this. We are talking about the realization phase. So what is the difference between client copy and transport, guys? What is the difference between client copy and transport?
Client copy is moving the data from one server to one client to another client,
Hmm.
whereas transport's response is like copying the data from one within the same client from one server to
Mm,
I mean from
what
one
is
server
that
to another.
yours? Within the same client, one server to another server.
No, sir. From one server to another server.
See, yeah, yeah, within the client.
No, sir.
Mm, mm,
Client is within server.
Again, can you repeat it? Repeat it properly. What is client copy?
Copying the data from one client to another client within the same server.
Same server. Transport means?
It's like moving the data from one environment to another.
Environment. Hmm. So I don't bring in new words. Now already there is a lot of confusion. Right? Transport means what? No, don't bring in new words. Already there is confusion. I am using only two words here. One client, one server. Correct? Only two words. Use only two words. Now why bring in new words? Correct? Server. You know server now. How many servers we have?
Base server,
What are they?
development server,
Hmm.
quality
server,
QA server,
production
and
server.
Production server. So if I am moving the data, if I want to copy the data from one server to another server, what do you call it?
It's a transport.
Transport. Who will do that?
basis.
Basis. Okay. Within the server, we have what? Within the server, we have clients. Clients. How many clients we have? We can have per server. How many clients can be created per server?
1,000.
Clients. Numbers could be any 3-digit number, no?
Yes.
000 to 000. So who will create the clients? Client number 000, 800, 100, 200, 300. Who will create?
Basis.
Partition, guys. Server dividing. You will do you will divide the server. You will install. So server clients in the server client numbers, 3-digit numbers. Who will create? Basis people will create, and then in the client server, understand the question and answer. Don't answer like client means always this. No? So client copying the data from one client to another client. We will do. Copying the data, not creating the client. No? Client is created by basis people in the server. Yeah. So taking the data from one client to another client, we do the client copy. Got it? Yeah. So what are the clients we have generally in development server? What clients are there?
Client.
Golden client.
Unit test client.
Unit
testing client and
technical client.
Technical. Golden client is where we do the all the changes, configurations, whatever we did, no? Enterprise structure, company code, chart of accounts, all this where we do in the in the development server in golden client.
Yes.
Correct? Good. So then after that, what I do? I client copy to unit testing client.
Yeah.
In the unit testing, I do the unit wise testing, small unit. Unit means basic testing, na? Base level testing. I do the testing in the unit testing client. Correct? Yeah. So once I have it, so once I did my unit level testing, I capture the results of the test. what I test I did, are the test results correct or not, I do the capture. I will create one test results document. I'll take that document, show it to my team lead, and if they are satisfied and all the results are coming properly, then what we do, we will that transport request we release. Okay, the TR release, we say we release the transport request. After releasing, we raise a ticket to the basis people. Okay, so we tell them whatever request that has been released, please take that data, request data from development to quality. Correct? Okay. So I will show you again. I'll show you. So first, what is it? So first, we make the changes in the development server golden client. Correct? We make the changes there. Those changes, what I am doing? I am doing the client copy to unit testing client of development. Correct? There I do some master data, test data I will create, and I will do some testing there, unit wise testing, basic testing, base level testing I do. If I am satisfied, then what I do? I capture the test results document I create. I will show it to my team lead and everything clarity I get. Then what I do? I release the request. After releasing the request, then I tell the basis people, I raise a ticket to basis people to transport the changes to quality server. That is the process. Okay. Okay. Now we will do this process, guys. Practically, I will show you.
Sir, one second. The technical client, that unit testing we are doing it. After that, the technical client, what is up?
That is ABAPers will do. We don't have
ABAPers,
access for.
Okay.
No programming side they will do. Okay. Good.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Right. So now here I will show you. Now we are in which
Golden client.
okay, just one. We are in which client, guys? We are in 800. Think that it is golden client. Okay. Yeah. Now here I have my OBY6 is there. Here I have my OBY6. My company code is there, ZAPL. I open it. I can see now. Okay, it is there. Okay. Now if I go to if I log off,
CCC version only, right, sir?
yeah, ECC only. I'm showing you. Same thing is there in S4 also. Ditto. There is no difference. I'm showing in ECC because you can do the trials. Okay. Yeah. Now, so now I'm logging off. Yes. Log. So again, I'm logging. Log. So now here I'm giving you. I'm logging into which client now? 810, right? Yeah. What is the user? This is the user. Password. I will give my password like this. I log in. So now I am in which client, guys?
810.
810, right? Okay. So now if I go to OBY6, will I have my company code?
No.
No. Imagine that this is unit testing. Okay. Unit testing. It is not there. So now what I do? First, the process, client copy process. Okay. Let us understand the client copy process. Okay. Log off. I'm logging in again. So this is my user. Again, I'm logging into 800 client. Okay. 800 client and I'm logging. I'm logging. Okay. Now here I'm in the 800 client. Golden client. Yeah. Okay. So here what I do, I will go to SE09. Note down the T code. SE09 to note the request number. What is our request number? It will give some request number, no? Yeah. So here we have two types of request: modifiable request, release request. Modifiable means still I can add some changes in it. Released means it is closed. Correct? Once a request is released, I cannot save any changes in it. Correct? Once a request is released, I cannot save any changes in it. Once, if it is in modifiable position, I can save. You see now. So now I have modifiable requests that are modifiable. Okay, what are the requests that are modifiable? My Zoho is there. Is my Zoho here? Is it there? My enterprise structure. It's there. Is it modifiable? Yes. So now understand. Now understand, very important. Understand. Suppose I am creating something. /n OX15. I am trying to create something. New entries. Okay. I am creating something. I'm just for the sake of it, I am creating country India. I am trying to save it. So when I am trying to save in own request, I can select my Zoho. No? Is it coming? Modifiable? Is it coming? Yes. Yes, it is. I can select. Correct. Still, I can save it because it is not yet released. Understand? So once it is released, no, it will go out of this list. It will not come here. Understand? So only modifiable requests will come here. So those requests that are there, like here you can see released requests. These are modifiable. If you come down, there are released requests are there. Released. Now Sumit is there. Sumit, what number? 900,412. No? Can I save it in Sumit now? Will it come here if I am trying to save? I am trying to save in Sumit. Sumit will come here. 900,412. Will it come here, Sumit? It will not come. Understand? Is it clear? Why Sumit is not showing here?
It's already released.
It is already. So once released, you cannot save any changes. So that's why you should be careful. So that's why, see now, so before releasing, you have to do proper unit test. Correct? Suppose you created 21 steps. You saved in a request. Then you have to do client copy. You do unit testing. Right? You should do proper unit testing. Correct? If you don't do proper testing and you release it, now suppose you created only 20 steps, you did not do proper unit testing, only 20 steps are there, you thought it will pass, I have done it correctly, so you just release the request. So when you release the request, tomorrow it will go to quality. In the quality it will fail because only 20 steps will come there, correct? Because you saved only 20 steps in that, and you other one step you saved in some other request. Correct. So your unit testing you have not done properly and you move to quality. In the quality it will fail. Now if I want to correct it, what should I do? I have to create the 21 step again. The 21 step I need to create another request, right? Again enterprise structure 2 I have to create. Understand? So your team lead will be very annoyed with you. No? Why again you created for one step one request you created? Again we have to release that request. Again we have to tell the basis people to transport all that process. You understand? So before releasing you should be careful. If you release it without proper testing, what will happen? Again new request you have to create. Again you have to tell the basis people to transport for one step separately. Is it clear? You understand what I am saying? Okay. Right. So before you release, you have to do thorough unit testing, then only release. Correct? Yeah. So because after releasing, that request will be gone. Any changes you want to do, again you have to create a new request only. That request again you have to release, again basis people you have to inform, again separate process. Correct? See, I tell you something. Suppose I want to send one furniture to America. I want to send one furniture to America. Furniture has got 21 parts are there. When I fix all 21 parts, then only furniture it is usable. Correct. So in my furniture, how many parts are there? 21 parts. Yeah. So now No, I will deassemble it, I will deassemble and then pack it, I will hand over the packet to the courier, right? Yeah. So when I am packing and handing over to courier, if I miss one item, correct? Only 20 items I put. I seal the package. See, without sealing, will the courier people accept it? Without sealing the package, will the courier people take the package?
No.
Open package, will they take?
No.
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 So I have to pack, na, that is what is releasing. I have to release. Correct. So imagine I put only 20 items in the package and I handed over to courier people. Now the courier has gone to America. In the America, when they opened, na, there are only 20 items, one item missing. So will the furniture work? No.
No.
So one item is left in India. Now to send that one item, what I should do, guys?
Even I need to parcel.
Again another package, another sealing, another courier, another cost. Understand? That's why before releasing is like sealing the package, handing over to basis people. Before releasing, you should be careful. Correct? So that's why unit testing importance you understood. Unit testing has to be done thoroughly and you have to capture the results also. Screen documents, you know how to capture the screen, guys? Yeah, screen capture, sniping tools,
Window
Yeah.
shift hours.
Yeah, so right, you screen capture, put it on a Word document so that tomorrow the date, system, everything is there. Tomorrow, if there is a problem coming, you can show, na, see, I did all the tests thoroughly. Correct? Yeah, then only I released it. Is it clear? Good. So now, any questions before I proceed?
Suppose that unit test time is some error we found out, again we can do it
Always,
from.
that is in your hands, na?
Okay.
Correct? You have not yet released, right?
Yes, yes.
You can go back to development, golden client, change, again client copy, again test.
Okay.
Correct? You can do that. Na? Client to copy, you can do. Both the server access, they have both the client access, they have given you. So change, client to copy, test. Change,
Okay.
client copy, test until unit testing is successful.
Success.
When it is successful, take a screenshot, test results capture, then release. Is it clear, everybody?
Okay.
Everything. Oh, did I say unit testing only for enterprise structure? Every
Yes.
topic that you do, you have to do unit test. Correct? First you do test at your level. Then only take to the next level. Correct? Good. Okay.
So can we make a
Uh,
copy of the request before releasing?
Before releasing,
If there's a request in modifiable, can I make a copy of it so that I'll release only one and I'll have one handy, just in case later if it fails, I can use the copied one.
you can use transport copies also option is there, but it is complicated. If you understand it properly, then you can. Correct. So transportation means, you copy of the transport request, So it is little complicated process. Why go into that? No? So I'm talking about already people are confused here. If I talk about copy of the transport request means, and again, it will create confusion. Okay. So once you are certain level, understand this process, then you can do that process also. Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. now.
Sir,
Yes.
once given to the user testing, they
Yeah.
found out something correction needed it. Then what we have to do, sir?
Which one?
Given to the user for that the testing.
That is
We-
integration testing. We will come there. Okay. So user means he is in quality, right?
The
In
quality
the
testing, they found out some correction needed.
yeah. So if it is at the quality level, then you have to again come back here only, right? Yeah.
Okay.
So that is the next level testing. If you find something in the next level testing, again you have to start from the development on. You cannot do changes in the quality. Any
Yeah, so
change that you have to do, you always have to do it from the development on. Quality, you will only do. You will do the testing again, second next level testing, integration test. Okay, again you have access to quality server. There will be client again there, integration testing client. In that you will do integration testing. Got it? Next level testing. So right now I'm talking about development server. In development server, what happens I am discussing. Next quality server I will discuss separately. Is it clear? Good.
Okay.
So first we are talking what happens in the development. Okay. Now, so here, so right now here I have it, right? This is 800, right? Yeah. Okay. So I'm going to my modifiable, no? I'm going like here, modifiable, right? So modifiable, my Zoho enterprise structure. What is my number? What is my number? 900. So in that subtask will be there, that is created in my username. So 900, 424 is there, right? Correct?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So note down this number 904. This is what we have to give to basis people. Correct? What number you have to give? Your
100.
request number. 900, what is it? Zoho, what is the request number, guys?
424.
424. Note it down. Okay, then what I do? I log out. Right now I'm in which client?
800.
I'm in the golden client, correct? So I log out. I log out from here. I log into unit testing client. Okay. Okay. Now I'm logging into unit testing. Understand? I'm logging into unit testing. I'm logging into unit 810. 810. Okay. Now here, this is my this thing. Okay. I'm logging into unit testing client. I'm in which client now?
810.
820.
Unit test.
810. Okay. So if I go to OBY6, is my company code there here?
No.
No.
My 21 steps are there here?
No.
Is it
No.
there? Not there. Right? That is created in 810 client, golden client. So now what I do here, I will go to, there is one T code, SCC1. Yeah. Note on this. SCC1, client copy T code. SCC1. Yeah.
Yes.
Client copy T code. Client copy T code. Go now, go to SCC1. Client copy T code. SCC1. Client copy by request number. Okay. So what is my source client from where I am copying?
Sir, I
800.
just joined due to server
Yeah.
issues. Repeat
Just
them.
focus more, concentrate, just listen. Okay. So now I am going to SCC1. SCC1, my source client. What is my source client?
800.
800. What is my transport request here? Which one I want to copy?
900, 424.
424, right? Yeah,
Yes.
424. Including subtask and everything, test run I want to do? Yes.
Yes.
Okay, now click on start email. I'm doing the test run first, yeah? I'm doing the test run, yeah? Test run, start immediate. So what it will do? It will copy the data from 800 to 810. Right now I'm in 810. Got it? So what all the things in my request, na, A to Z, it will copy. So many tables I have updated. Got it? Program ran successfully. What I should do now? Remove the test run and start. Copy. Right? Copy. So when I copy client, now what it is saying? Copy client specific data from 800 to
810.
810, right? Correct. Press enter. Correct? Yeah. So I will copy the data.
So this we are doing in 800, sir.
I am doing in 810, ma. I'm in 810. I am copying from 800. Is it clear? Yeah. Right now I am in which client? I'm in the destination client. Okay. So some problem is there. Okay. Some restriction is there. Just
Sir, same user ID and password, sir, for both clients.
Yeah, same user ID. Test run successfully. Just 1 minute. Some screen wise problem is coming. Something else we saved in that request actually. In enterprise structure, some screen we saved. That's why it is creating problem.
So this transport request is of enterprise structure in 800.
Yeah, correct. Okay. So now let me see. Transaction message. Okay. So let me try and see whether the OBY6 is it coming or not. Just 1 minute. ABAP error it is. Yeah. So there is some screen that was not copied, but structure wise, you see this? I'm in 810 now. I'm in 810. Correct? Did I get my ZAPL? And when I
Yes.
open this, when I have all these things ready now? Yeah. Right. So like this, I can copy all the steps from golden client to unit test. Got it? So now if I go to my FS here, if I go to my FS00, no GL accounts will not be there. Only master data it will copy. Is it clear? Yeah, I will show you. So now suppose I want to test this. I want to test my OBY6. Okay. I want to test whether I did my 21 steps correctly or not. How do I test?
The posting engine.
So I'm in which client now? I'm in golden client or unit testing?
Unit testing.
So here I am doing the testing. I will create some master data here, test data. I'll create FS00. I'll create one share capital account. Yeah. You see now, I'll try to create one share capital account, something like that. I create present. I will try to create my liabilities, balance sheet, share capital. Yeah. Share capital, present. Right. I am creating my only balances, line item, sort key 001. Correct. Create a bank interest tab G001. Press enter and save it. Right. So now account created. Now which company it is created? ZAPL. So if I am able to create the account means my 21 steps correct na?
Yes.
That is. So I take a screenshot of this. I take a screenshot of the date, time, T code, client. I will put the client here like this so that I am aware of this. It is I'm in this client, this GL account. It is created or not? Yes. So this is my proof that I did my 21 steps correctly. Is it clear? That is the process. So once your testing is successful here, then you take a screenshot of this, create a test results document, and then what you do, and then you go back to your original source client. Yeah. So I log off now. I logged off. Yeah. Now I log into my golden client. Yeah. Golden client here. I'll go into my original client. What is my original client? 800, golden client. Here what I do, now I am satisfied with my unit testing. Satisfied
Yes.
with my unit testing? Yes. Anything else I have to add to this request? Anything
No.
else I need to do with this request? No, right? Already 21 steps successfully working. So what I will do with this? I'll go to my Zoho enterprise structure, put the cursor here, put the cursor on this request, and then what you do? You go and this is the release button. Can you see this? This truck button.
Yes.
Truck na release is
Truck,
like
truck.
courier na courier. We are
Shipment.
packing it. Okay, so shall we release this now? You are clear everybody? Because once I release I cannot do anything. Everybody clear on this?
Yes.
Yeah. Everybody understand client copy and all? So from where you will copy? First you go to your normal golden client, note down the request number. Then you go to your destination client, that is your unit testing client. You go there and then from there you will use a T code SSC1 to copy the data from golden client. What is the T code to do the client copy?
SC09.
No. Client copy.
That
SCC1.
SCC.
SCC1. Now release the T code, release the request. What is the T code?
SC0. SE0.
SC09.
SC09. Na? So you select like this, select like this, then what you do? Release. So I released, no? Okay, so now here subtask we have to release first. Okay. So here referring to 424. 900, 424. Where it is?
First one.
424, na here. Here first you need to release the subtask. Okay, subtask. You put the cursor here. Under the main task, you will have subtask created for each user. Okay. Okay. So now select this. Click on release this one first. Release the subtask first. Yeah, always. You will get a tick button. Subtask is released. Tick button. Then you put the cursor on the main task. You put the cursor on the main task. Then you release again. So then your request will be released. Got it? Object no longer locked. Yeah. So now where this is gone now from modifiable, it is not there. You see 424, is it there here anywhere? Not there. So where it is gone now? It has gone into which option?
Release.
Bottom. Released. Here in the released here. So it is not modifiable anymore. So the package is sealed now. Can you put anything in it? No. So can I, if I go to my OX15 and if I am trying to create anything and if I am trying to save, na? If I am trying to give anything if I am trying to save, right? If I am trying to save anything, it will, now I want to save in my Zoho. Will it come here? 424 will come.
Yes.
Is it coming? See, 422 is there, 28 is there. 24, is it coming? Not. So I cannot see released request here, not possible. So now if I want to do anything for Zoho enterprise structure, what I have to do? One more request I have to create, na? Enterprise structure 2 I have to. Is it clear? Yeah. Okay. So that is the difference between modifiable and release. Got it? Okay. So once it is released, then we tell the basis people. We raise a ticket to basis people. We will tell them, please transport the changes to quality. Now only release request only they will accept. If the request is released only, they will accept. Otherwise, they will not accept. Understand? Courier people, as they are not accepting unsealed boxes, basis people will not accept modifiable requests. Basis people will only accept if the request is released. Is it clear? They will check. Okay, before accepting your ticket, your request, they will check whether the request is released or not. If it is released only, they will accept. Is it clear? Okay, so now we are entering into next server. Development part, everybody clear?
Yes.
Development part, everybody clear? Yeah. So now what
Sir.
I do? Yes.
So suppose any correction mistake in the 21 steps, again we have to, you mean that you have to create again 21 steps for the new
No,
correction?
not again.
Oh.
Suppose you have 20 steps you saved in this request.
Okay.
One step by mistake you saved in Sumit, something else.
Okay.
So one step is not there. How many steps are there in the Zoho?
20 only.
20 only. So when I client to copy, only 20 will come, na?
Yes.
So my unit testing will fail or not?
Yes, it will be failed.
Fail. So what I should do now? Again, go back to golden client. Check what is the problem. If it is created in wrong request, then remove it, delete it, create fresh again, save it in the correct request.
Okay.
So when you do client to copy, it will not copy again 20. It will only copy the difference.
The difference only. Okay, that's all.
It will copy only one step. It will copy next time when you do the client copy.
Okay.
See, already 20 steps are there. Again, why it will copy? Only that one step extra it will copy. Is it clear?
Okay, sir.
So you understand the process, how it is happening in the servers?
Yes.
Yeah, good. Any questions? Because I want all of you to be clear on this, guys. Many students, they struggle because they don't get this. Nobody will tell them in the real time when you go companies. No, do you think your colleague will explain you all this?
No.
No,
Not at all.
correct. That's why any question, ask me now only. Have clarity.
So can you show me how to delete the wrong request?
How to delete the wrong request? You can delete here only. It is there in SE09. SE09, but deletion is not correct. Okay, you should not do that. So you can display here, it will come and it will come here. You can select and delete. Correct or not? But approvals will be there. That number will be missing. Should not do such things. Okay. You can delete the request here, provided you have access to all this. Okay.
Mm.
Select this, you delete. But it is disaster, no? Okay. Now don't delete other people's.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Now you understood everybody? Right. So now, any other questions? Any other questions? Development part, you are clear? Okay. So now unit test. Now I am going to, so now the, how to delete? That, see, suppose you created a wrong step. Now you go to OX15, you select that, now whatever that step is there. Correct. You select that. Correct. Whatever, something you created, ABCD, whatever you created like this. This is saved in another request. Correct. What I will do now, select that, delete it, remove it, and then save it. Correct. Save, when you are saving, it will ask the request. Na? Yeah. Select that wrong request, na? Where it is saved. So it will be removed from that. See, one item out of 21 item, one item I put it in some other box. You understand? There is one box for America, one box for United Kingdom, one box for Australia. So 20 items I put it in US box, one item I put in Australia box. What I should do, guys? First I should remove from Australia box. Na? So select it, delete it, save it in Australia box. It will be removed. No? Yes. Deletion also you have to save, right? You know, no? Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So it will be removed from Australia box. Now I will create again. Put it in US box.
America.
Is it clear? Got it? That is the process, right? So if it is already created, it is in another box, again you cannot create. Now system will say it is already there. Correct. But because you put it in another box, you have to delete it from the wrong box. Again, create it, save it in the right box. Got it? Good. Okay. I thought when you said delete, I thought you are talking about request deletion only. Yeah, that's why. Good. Okay. Now, okay. So now I'm going into quality now. Quality server. So in development, we have minimum 3 clients. Now I'm going to quality server. Correct? Quality. So in quality server, again, you cannot log into the server always. Remember, without using client, can I log in?
No.
Just to select the server login, is it possible? Not possible. Definitely client will be there. Every server client will be there. Yeah. So here also we have one client. Now we have 2 clients here. Minimum 2 clients. Minimum we have 2 clients here. What are they? 2 clients we have. One is integration testing client. Okay. Integration testing client. Integration testing client. And then we have one more. That is the integration training client. Training. Okay. So imagine I have like this is I have like 210. This is I have like 230 like that. Correct? So this server, these clients, where they are in which server? Quality. Quality, sir. Is it clear? Yeah. So now understand basis people, what they are doing? They are transporting the request, right? That is the changes from, understand like this, from development server, golden client, correct or not? Golden client, that is your 100 number, from 2. So this is from, na? This is from. From address is what? From address is this. From address is what? Development server golden client 100. Which request? What changes? What in this? What in this? ECCK 900 4224. Whatever is there in this, that is what they are taking, right? Good. So now 2, from 2, where they are taking? 2 address. Come on, tell me.
Quality server.
Quality server. Quality server where?
Integration testing.
Integration testing client. Is it clear? Testing client. Now then, what number? 210.
10.
Right? So in this, whatever are there, in this, suppose there are 21 steps. So these 21 steps, they will come here. Is it clear? As it is, they will come. Another server, but they will come. Is it clear? So you log out. So then what you do? You log out from here. Then you log in. You log in into which server now? Quality server. Quality server. Server which client? Which client? What is the number? 210. Integration. Then you again, so like this, all the topics will come now one by one. See, enterprise structure, unit testing over, released. Okay, accounts payable, unit testing over, released and transported. Like that, all the topics will come to this server. No? One by one, all the topics are coming.
Yes.
Now I do higher level test. APP, I will do, and FIMM. Na? FI steps are coming to integration testing. MM steps are also coming. Na? Plant creation, storage location. He is creating from his side. Na? He will do his testing. Na? Unit testing he will do from his side. Yes. I am doing my testing. He is doing his testing. I am creating my things. He is creating his things. Both of them, where we will meet? Qualities. 210 we will meet. And there we will do the integration test. Got it? Okay. You understand now? So as I am doing in golden client, he will also do in golden only, but his request will be different. He is doing MM. Correct? He will also do client copy, unit testing he will do. And once basic level testing is done, he will also come to integration. I will also go to integration. Then we meet there, no? Then we can check higher level integrations. That's why we call it as integration test. Unit wise testing separate, integration testing separate. Now it is possible once I am there, again the errors may come. Although I tried my level best to maximum handle at unit testing only. But possible, once I do a higher level testing, some issues may come. So for those issues, again I have to do some changes, no? Yeah. So those changes where I will do?
Again golden client.
Again golden client, again unit testing, again release, again come to quality. That is the process. Clear? Okay. So after I do the integration testing here, then I ask the user testing. Right? User will also log in here. User also will log in here. He will also do his testing. We call it as a UAT. UAT means what? User acceptance test. So once he also is satisfied, all the testings we tell him clearly, guys. Yeah, no, remember this. Always be clear. You tell him, na, see, I have done for my understanding. Na. See, I don't know your business, Zoho Enterprise, Zoho business. I don't know. I'm an external. Correct or not? Whatever you told me, I did. But your business, you know better, na? What scenarios you have, I don't know. You know. You do all the testing, all the scenarios you test. Take your time. So we give time like about 1 week to 10 days time we give. After we do everything, we give about 1 week to 10 days time we give to the user to do thorough testing. Come on, do enjoy. And do all the testings you do and you come back to me. Any problems, let me know. And once you give clearance only, then only I will take it into production. Correct? Then we
Yes.
will raise a ticket. Once UAT is given clearance, then again we raise a ticket to basis people. Correct? What is the request for to transport from?
Quality to production.
No. So there is generally everybody will think like that. The always the data will move from here only. This is the original source. This is the original source. This is the duplicate copy.
Okay.
Understand na? That's why this is golden. Golden means it is very important. It is clean server. No, see here also test data is there. Na? To do some testing, I create some test data. I do trials here, right? This is this is testing, na?
Got it.
This is original data. Where it is here?
Development server.
Clean data, clean copy. That's why we call it as golden client. Golden means very valuable. So the copy is happening actually from development to production directly. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Even though we are doing after doing the integration testing in quality, even though we do after that, but main copy is in development. From there only they copy. Is it clear? So whether they are copying from development or whether they are copying from integration, the data is same, na? Data is same, right? It is coming from original source, this one, right? So they will copy from here only. From there, they will take it into production directly. Is that clear? That is the process. Okay. Now, once in production, then it is the original. Production is live data, na? Right? Very important. So before going to production, you should think 100 times, guys. Yeah. Because production means client live data is going to come there. Correct? So you should do all the testings, all the checks before going to production. Correct? Yeah. Clear, everybody?
Yes.
This is the process. Yeah. Any questions?
Sir, here only, sir, that user have some correction from the basics. Again, we have to start all the 21 steps, sir, or one that where is the correction, that only we can do it, sir.
What do you think? Why we will do all the steps again?
Only correction will do.
No?
Correction.
Correct? Yeah.
No, because we already moved, that's only I'm asking, sir.
Move to where?
Moved for that testing.
See, when you move, no, so again change only the difference it will copy, no? So that's why we are using the word changes here. We are
Okay.
not using the files.
Okay.
Changes. So 20 changes are already there. One change. Change. We use the word changes.
Okay.
Correct or not? So 20 changes are already there in integration testing. Yes. Why it will change again? Correct. Whatever the difference is there, that difference only it will take it. Correct? It will not do duplicates. No?
Okay.
Correct? Yeah. Clear, everybody?
Sir.
Yeah.
Suppose we modify the as per the request, means as per the error, we modify the corrections. Then we have to release it again, right?
We have to create a new request.
Then it comes to modify, and then we have to release it again.
Exactly. So whatever the problem is coming, for that we have to make the changes, create a new request, no? Of course, because old request already released, it's in quality, right? So we create a new request for those difference in the changes. For that, we save it, then release it. Then it will come to quality. Hopefully, it will work now. Got it? Again, if it is not working, what you have to do?
Again.
Same process, right? So, but once generally when you do, say unit test testing, when you do thoroughly, 99% there should not be any problem. Correct. See, I'm building one car. Yeah. Every part I checked thoroughly. Buttons, switches, everything I checked thoroughly. I assembled it. Then when I did assemble, it should work, no? Correct. So when I already testing, I have done unit wise testing, everything is proper. So obviously it should work. 99% it will work. If you are very unlucky, if the connections problem is there, then integration will fail. Then also you have chance, no? You go back, do the testing, then again come here. This time you do correctly. Okay? Yeah. So this time when you are doing unit testing, you focus on that area, no? That connection also you check, right? Then only you take it into quality. Is it clear? Yeah. Good. Right? So now one important thing I will discuss. So here when we talk about data, right? What type of data we are taking here? Right? Here, what type of data here? So basically we have 3 levels of data. 3 levels of data. What are they? One is configuration data. Another one is master data. Another one is transaction data. Correct? What is configuration data? Configuration data is like your company code. Yeah. Master data is like your GL account. Correct? It is your GL account creation. Transaction data is like your FB50. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, can I post FB50 without GL account? Can I create a GL account without company code?
No.
So which data we should create first?
Configuration. Company code.
Clear, no? Yeah. So configuration data, this is the consultant's data. Understand? Configuration data, consultants do this, and this is saved in only this data is saved in request. Correct or not? This master data, GL creation and all, will they save in the request, guys?
No.
You create any GL account, the request is coming or not coming?
That's not
Request. So master data, transaction data is not saved in the request. Remember, only configuration data saved in request. So this process what I discussed now, development to quality, production, this process will apply to which data?
configuration data.
Only configuration. Is it clear? Yeah. Can I create GL accounts in development to take it into production?
No.
No. Because they are not saved in a request. You cannot save them. It is folder itself, it is not there. How I can take, guys? Is it clear? So in the data, total data, now our Zoho data is in legacy system. Zoho data in legacy system. In that, what levels of data we have? If you divide the data, what are the datas? Configuration data, master data, transaction. So first, what we take, which data we will take it into our system? Configuration. How it will move? Development, quality, production, process. Is that clear? Once configuration data is in production through this change process, correct or not? This is what is the change process, no? Doing in development, testing there, then this is the change process, right? So once configuration data is in production, then in production server, we will create master data and transactional data directly in production. Because this is confidential data of the client, no? This master data and transaction data is business data it is. So this we will create directly in production. Is that clear? Okay. Everybody is clear on this?
Yes, sir.
Now I will ask you interview questions. Okay. Can I make new changes in quality?
No, sir.
No. Answer the question. Can I make new changes, new corrections? Can I do directly in quality?
No.
No.
Can I do the testing in production?
No.
Right. Can I create master data in development and copy to quality?
No.
No.
Right? Clear na? Yeah.
Yep.
So these are the things. No? So when you understand only, you will answer. Correct? Now someone was saying last time in one of the meetings. Now here in the quality, actually we do testing. To do quality testing, we need some data. Correct? So the background for the meeting was we were looking for the data to test thoroughly. So we need business data and all types of data we need so that we can test thoroughly, right? That
Yes.
was the discussion going on. So we were talking about quality testing. We were looking for the data so that we can do test thoroughly. So now the discussion was to take the old data of production into quality. Old data of production into quality so that on that data we can do testing. So when it is successful, then it will automatically apply for the new data also. Okay, that was the discussion. Now to get that data, it is taking time. It will take basis. People were asking 1 week time. So one guy comes up in the meeting. He says, why not do testing in production? He says like this. It's there now. Why do all this? We do testing in production, he says. Huh? So now everybody in the meeting, they were silent. They understood that. What they understood, this guy doesn't know anything. Correct? Immediately his team lead, he said, can you please be quiet for some time, he said. You understand? Na? See, such small one sentence will tell everybody. So dangerous it is, yeah. So that's why I hope everybody understood this process now.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah. Okay. So we'll stop here for today. Tomorrow we'll continue, guys. Okay.
Sir,
Thank you.
once
Yes.
can you repeat that interview question?
I will tell you tomorrow. Okay. Now, if I repeat again, someone will ask. Okay. The interview question was, can we do the testing in, can we do the, what was the question? Can we create a new changes in quality? Correct. What is the answer? No.
No.
You always have to do changes where?
Development.
Development only. Can we do new changes in unit testing development? In unit testing, client in development, can I make new changes?
No.
No. Only one place. Which place?
Development. sir.
Golden client.
Development, golden client. Only one source, original source of data. Truth. Only one place. Understand? No duplication. If you allow somewhere, if someone will create here, there, and it will become a messy mess. So only one place. Which place? Development. Which client? Golden client.
Golden
Only
client.
one. Anything you want to do, you have to start from there. Single source of truth. Got it?
Okay.
Okay, guys. Thank you. Then we'll meet tomorrow. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Bye. Thank you,
you, sir.
everybody. Thank you.